All right, so back to number 6. We have done step 1, isolate the absolute value on the left. Now we got to do what?
Separate, put it in the two problems.
Make 2 equations, good. So the first equation is always the same thing without the absolute value. It'll be x minus 5 greater than or equal to 1. Second equation, the left-hand side will be the same. X minus 5 is, don't forget to switch the sign, less than or equal to, and take the opposite of the right-hand side. Now, what word goes in the middle?
Or?
How do we know?
Greater.
Because it's greater, right? Greater, so we use or. If it was less than, we'd use and. Alright, so now solve the 2 equations. Plus 5, x greater than or equal to 6, or plus 5, x less than or equal to 4. So on our number line, we would use closed circles this time. And greater than the 6, or less than or equal to the 4. If it was interval notation, it would be negative infinity all the way up to 4, including the 4, union with 6 to infinity, including the 6. Questions on that? So the answer could be written out like this, or it could be like this, or in interval notation. Please don't put E as a choice on your exam. All right, number 7, 7A. Oh, please. 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to 10. Alright, so step 1's already done. Isolate the absolute value on the left. So now we got to make the 2 equations. 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to 10. Greater. Left-hand side stays the same. 3x plus 4. For the second equation, you want to flip the sign and take the opposite of the right-hand side. Solve the 2 equations. X is greater than or equal to 2, or minus 4. X is less than or equal to negative 14 thirds. It's or, so I need all the solutions. Close circles. And of course, interval notation, negative infinity up to negative 14 thirds, including that. Any questions on 7A? Yes, sir.
Could you have like written the equation in like one continuous line? Like negative 14 is less than or equal to 3x, which is less than or equal to 6. Like they had that in the book.
Say it again.
Could you have written it like, just like put 3x plus 4 in the middle and then put the other numbers on the side?
Oh, on either side?
Yeah.
If you want.
Okay.
If you want, yeah, sure. Alright, 7B. Less than or equal to 10. Alright, make the 2 equations. Here we're going to use and, because it's less than. Second equation, don't forget to flip the sign and take the opposite. Alright, so if we put this on a number line, close circles, greater than this and less than this, so it'll just be this section here, right? That's how it would look on a number line. And then if it was interval notation, it would be negative 14 thirds all the way up to 2, including both of them. Questions on that? All right, 7C. Absolute value, 3x plus 4, absolute value, greater than or equal to negative 10. All right, make the two equations. 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to negative 10, or 3x plus 4 less than or equal to positive 10. Solve the two equations. X is greater than or equal to negative 14 thirds, or X is less than or equal to 2. So if we put this on a number line, greater than or equal to this, less than or equal to the 2, and it's or, so I need all the answers, right? So that would be everything. The whole number line would be lit up. Interval notation would be negative infinity all the way up to positive infinity. Questions? Sometimes if you just look at the problem and know the answer. What is the absolute value of something greater than a negative 10? Always. Okay? 7D. Absolute value of 3x plus 4 less than or equal to negative 10. It's less than, so we'll use and. 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to 10. 3x less than or equal to negative 14. X greater than or equal to 2. We put this on a number line. It's less than this one and greater than this one. And means what? What they have in common, right? What they share. This arrow going this way and an arrow here going this way, they don't share anything. It would be an empty number line. No solution, right? Sometimes you might see no solution as this. It's the set of numbers with nothing in it, called an empty set. Questions on number 7? And you probably could have figured this out if you just looked at the question a little bit. When is the absolute value less than negative 10? Because this is always going to be a positive number, right? No solution. Okay, can you stop it?